Oh. Artemis, where are you? Artemis! Artemis? Oh! Artemis! Come down here, baby. Come on. Artemis. Yeah, come here. Come here. Oh my. Come here, baby. Oh, come here. My daddy will see you. Artemis. Come here, baby. Artemis, come on. You want this treat, don't you? Don't you want this treat? Yum, yum. Yum, yummy. No. Artemis, no. Damn it. Oh my god. Artemis. Baby. Artemis. What are you doing out there? Artemis. Oh, oh. Oh no. So spooky. Baby. Oh. Oh. Artemis. You come down for daddy. Oh. Oh. Ah. Oh no, Mrs. Kitty. Is this how you've been getting in the vents? Is this how you've been getting in the vents, Mrs. Kitty? What are you doing up here? What are you doing? How are you even... How are you getting up there? Where are you going? She's jumping from this weight equipment all the way up there. What the heck? Oh, Artemis, what are you doing? Hey, oh no. Artemis, oh no. Where are you going? This is the other side now. Artemis, oh, she's in the vents. This is how. She's like, you can like hear her moving. Oh no, Artemis. Oh no. How am I gonna get you down again? Oh, Mrs. Kitty, what's this? Oh yes, your favorite. Meow, meow. Yeah, you want some of this, don't you? Yeah. Oh no. You got to come down. You got to come down, baby. Artemis. Artemis. Come on. Come over here. No, baby. Oh, no. Artemis, come back this way. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. Oh, come here, baby. Apollo. Oh, no. You're not helping, buddy. Meow. Oh, meow. Oh, Artemis, come over here. I'm trying to get you to come back over here. That hole's too small. Yeah, you wish you could jump high too. Why are you still? I'm trying to get you to come over here. Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. Yes. Oh, shh. Oh no. I made it too easy. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Daddy will get you down. Oh, yeah. Daddy. Oh. Oh, baby. Oh, you like running around on the sun?